Me kekei. Kwanza kama kagidani. Aiki kane. Sata. Karat. Mirror. So if people they still put them on mirrors. Yes.
So this guy was caught in the act stealing someone's car mirror. Charlie, what's happening? Eh? Is it because people are hungry or there's no work? So why should you be doing this? Eh? While somebody has parked his car, you decide to steal the mirror. And this thing has been happening for some time now. So it seems this guy, today wasn't his luckiest day. Today wasn't a good day for him. So they caught him, and he even mentioned the name of the buyer of the mirror. So someone has been buying these stolen mirrors from them. Oh Charlie, what's happening?
Karat. Mirror. So if people they still put them on mirrors. Yes. No. If English I speak. If people they still people them on mirrors. If you people.
Which area do they go? Which area do they go?
You don't know. Who be the buyer?
Rasta.
Rasta.
For where?
Rasta. Fabuso kind. Okay. Nice one. So I wanna cast there where you put the can steal for here. I the lie. Mo could go buy the car. Then you people be there. The car owners. You people be the junkyard. All right. Thank you. The good say we catch you at this hour. Nice.
Not long ago, a CCTV footage was even going viral on Instagram. And in the video, there was a guy stealing a camera from a Range Rover. And when you looked at the video, even the owner was telling people to help him fish out this guy. And he was even ready to pay a huge amount of money. And so these guys, why are they doing this? Is it because they are no work or they are not even ready to work? The only thing left for them is to steal from others. And this is not a good act. Oh, guys, please leave your comments in the comment section. Whatever you want to say about this particular video, leave your comment in the comment section. And thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.
Danny, you see where you go past.
Go past.
The boy, the way that they will break there, your mindset no go come talk. You do like they talk, no go past the other side. Go see. If you lose left, yes, like they do, we flip the thing. You see the inside hat small. Where you put your phone for the other side, you take it right and come join them. You put the phone for your pocket. You come out them simple. You come out them simple. Where you put for in front, in balls on top.